Picture this. You've given everything to her. Your time, your attention, your heart. You thought love was a safe harbor. And yet, something feels off. The texts are slower. The laughter is thinner. The warmth gone. Every instinct in your chest screams betrayal. Pause. My friend, what I'm about to tell you will shatter illusions. Desire is not love, and love is not always desire. Every woman's heart is influenced by forces you don't see. Hardwired, biological, and merciless. You believed she loved you unconditionally, that loyalty was guaranteed. Yet the signs were there all along. She critiques your choices subtly, prioritizes others' attention over yours, disappears emotionally during vulnerable moments. Pause. Behavioral examples. 1. She cancels plans last minute, citing trivial excuses. 2. She rarely initiates contact, leaving you to chase. 3. Her compliments are fleeting, and her affection feels transactional. Case study. John, 32, gave everything to a woman he considered the one. Yet within months, her attention shifted to a colleague who displayed confidence he never thought mattered. Pause. You realize the love you felt safe in was a mirage. This is the first layer of the betrayal. The illusion that attention equals devotion. Every woman is programmed by evolutionary imperatives. Dopamine spikes when novelty and perceived high value enter her world. Your stability, your loyalty, these are no longer enough. Her brain is wired to seek traits that maximize survival and opportunity. Psychological point. Hypergamy, the unconscious drive to elevate her partner's value relative to herself, operates silently. And while men often seek stability, women respond to signals of dominance, scarcity, and social proof. Pause. Case study. Mark, 28, noticed his partner became distant whenever he took a step back to focus on his career. Her desire was highest when he displayed scarcity. Proof that the mechanism is neurological, not emotional. Desire is not rational. It's a battlefield of neurotransmitters, emotional triggers, and subconscious evaluation. Every glance, every pause, every subtle gesture sends signals to her brain. Behavioral examples. 1. She tests boundaries through subtle criticism. 2. She withdraws attention when she perceives low value. 3. She mirrors confidence, creating push-pull tension. Pause. Your brain seeks reward through closeness, hers through value assessment. The mechanism is precise. Dopamine spikes for novelty, serotonin dips when attachment feels uncertain. Men chase affection, women chase value. It's not cruelty. It's hardwired psychology. Every man has felt the creeping disconnect, yet few recognize it in time. Here are the red flags. 1. Emotional withdrawal, she no longer shares private thoughts. 2. Social diversion, her attention gravitates to higher status men. 3. Testing, subtle games designed to measure your response under stress. Anecdote. David, 35, noticed his partner's interest peak whenever he engaged in solo social activities. Her desire was reactive, not stable. Pause. These patterns aren't random. They are observable, predictable, and often ignored at the cost of heartbreak. You're not just battling biology, you're fighting a system. Modern dating, social media, and cultural narratives amplify these instincts. The world tells men, be kind, be loyal, she'll stay. False. The market of desire rewards scarcity, dominance, and social proof. Behavioral example. Dating apps reward novelty, not commitment. Social media validation shifts attention constantly. Even feminist narratives promote independence over attachment, unintentionally increasing unpredictability. Pause, my friend. The battle isn't just personal. It's systemic. You are a soldier in a war designed to obscure the rules of desire. And so, despite your effort, devotion, and patience, disappointment arrives. She drifts, leaves, or simply becomes indifferent. The emotional collapse is inevitable for those unaware of the mechanisms at play. Case study. Alex, 30, devoted 3 years to a partner, ignoring subtle withdrawal signals. When she left, he was blindsided. Yet the signs were all there. Pause. The destruction is not only emotional. It's a blow to identity, confidence, and trust. The illusion shattered leaves a raw, bitter space within every man. Here's the truth most men cannot stomach. Desire is conditional. Attention is not love. Loyalty is a reflection of value perception, not morality. Every woman's heart is partially ruled by instincts you cannot negotiate with. Pause. Behavioral examples. 1. She leaves for higher status partners. 2. She withdraws during male scarcity. 3. She unconsciously tests value through subtle games. This is harsh, brother, but understanding it is liberation. Only when you confront the bitter reality can you begin to control your own battlefield. Understanding desire is not defeat, it's strategy. Here's the framework. 1. Self-mastery, cultivate confidence, competence, and emotional resilience. 2. Presence over chasing, scarcity creates desire, over-eagerness destroys it. 3. Value demonstration, your life, your achievements, your energy speak louder than words. 4. Detachment, emotional independence shields you from manipulation and disappointment. Behavioral example. When you stop chasing, men notice the shift in her attention. When you focus on growth, her desire becomes reactive, proof that power lies in self-ownership. Pause, my friend. This is your liberation. The dark truth reveals the light path. See reality, adapt, dominate the battlefield of desire, not through deceit, but through mastery of self. Music fades out. End. Fade to black with text. Desire is conditional. Power is choice. Master yourself.